This is Jamie with BarI. In this video, we're going to show BarI Pro users how they can use the analysis suite of screens to get the most detailed view on their results for bar inventory. So from the main screen here, we'll need to click and expand the analysis workflow, click on accountability, and then users are used to filling out these 7 steps, but to review past audits, we'll just go to count and select the dates. So by default, it's loaded the most recent. We can do this for any set of dates, but if you select the starting date, it will automatically fill in. Click finalize, and then click on edit on step 6, adjustments and analysis. So this is the most detailed view. Starts here on analysis, where you see the main accountability view, which is going to break down accountability scores at the category level up top, total and line by line. We can filter that by using the filters, so we can filter for a particular category like draft or liquor, and then we can further drill down by subcategory. So for instance, look at just of our tequilas, or if you want to get even more detailed, you could use a search string like Julio, would filter our results just by items that have the word Julio in them. One final view as well, we can flick this slider button and it will switch us over to the financial view. So in this place, you're seeing things like sales, losses, liquor cost on an individual level, as well as achievable cost. And then up top, you'll see there are another 5 screen options. So let's run through those quickly. So the comparison screen gives you a recent history where you can see the most 5 recent cycles. So current cycle, 1 ago, 2 ago, etc. And you can see the accountability scores, also liquor cost, achievable cost, and some other details. So that's good for getting a more broad understanding of how the current results fall into context of other recent cycles. The offsets lets you see which items are missing and which items are over. And similarly, you can filter by item name, or often useful to do it by category. One of the tricks here, you'll sometimes see potential offsets, like while New Amsterdam is overperforming with more having been run than sold, there's a equivalent variance on Tito's. So it could be that we are ringing up drinks that call for New Amsterdam pouring Tito's. The recipe screen allows you to look at the recipes for every single button. If I do keg, I'll see all the draft beer recipes. This is not editable using this login, or I could search for a particular item like Tito's, and it will show me all the recipes that contain that item. Adjustments, again, is not editable. This is where we can see what was communicated during the cycle, see what manual adjustments was made, or search by item, and see the result of which items were flagged by the variance report, the ones that were whose adjustments were accepted and those were manually adjusted. And then the most detailed view, users or those that complete the variance report are used to looking at this view, but here you can search again and select an item, and then you can see the headline information as well as previous count, current count line by line, invoicing data, as well as recipes. So for the most detailed view, the analysis suite is certainly a good tool. As always, thank you for your business, and if you'd like to see another video explaining some more details, please shoot us an email. We'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.